Huawei P8 Lite 2017. Network Technology GSM/HSPA/LTE. Launch announced 2017, January. Status available. Release 2017, January. Body dimensions 147.2 x 72.9 x 7.6 mm 5.80 x 2.87 x 0.30 in. Weight 147 grams 5.19 ounces. SIM dual SIM nano SIM, dual standby. Display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. Size 5.2 inches / 69.5% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 x 1920 pixels / 424 ppi pixel density. Multi-touch yes. Protection to be confirmed. Emotion 5.0 UI. Platform OS Android OS v7.0 Nougat. Chipset Silicon Kirin 655. CPU octa-core 4x2.1 GHz Cortex-A53 and 4x1.7 GHz Cortex-A53. GPU Mali D830 MP2. Memory card slot microSD. Up to 256 GB uses SIM slot. Internal 16 GB. 3 GB RAM. Camera primary 12 MP. F-flash 2.0. Autofocus. LED flash. Features geotagging. Touch focus. Face flash smile detection. Panorama. HDR. Video 1080p at 30 fps. Secondary 8 MP. F-flash 2.0. 1080p. Sound alert types vibration. MP3. Wavering tones. Loudspeaker yes. 3.5mm jack yes. Active noise cancellation with dedicated mic comms WLA and WI-FI 802.11b/grams/n. WI-FI direct. Hotspot. Bluetooth v4.1. A to DP. EDR. Lean. GPS yes. With a GPS. GLONASS. NFC yes. Radio FM radio. USB microSD v2.0. Features sensors fingerprint rear-mounted accelerometer, proximity, compass. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, IM. Browser HTML5. Java number, rated/MP4/H.264/WMV player. MP3/AAC+/WMA/WAVE/FLAC player. Document viewer. Photo/video editor. Battery non-removable lithium 3000 mAh battery. Miscellaneous colors black, white, gold. Price group 5/10.